Now we go to the Rascipe. Rascipe, we have Oluchi on the line. Ital chef. Saying, Oluchi, what on?
Give thanks to the Father.
Aye.
The honor for me there, you know.
Yes, man. Truly, and we meet under these circumstances where you are going to tell me how you prepare a certain dish.
Yes, I.
So where they are there?
Right now we're up on the east side of America in our state named Connecticut.
Wow.
You know, just relocate from Jamaica, you know, because you don't see how Jamaica run. It's never good for the mental, you know.
Right, so you just take a breeze off and come forward because we can't leave yard, you know. We can't leave out yard.
No, we can't leave yard. I know better than yard.
And I know your store where they on Mannings Hill Road.
Yeah.
Gallins Hill Road.
Gallins Hill Road, right there is so.
Yeah. So which dish y'all cook for today?
Alright, so we are cook for today.
Yeah.
We are cook a specialty what I create, you know, because I could have given you any dish where I do like a chickpeas or just the regular thing, but
one where you create, man.
Create
one where you create,
yeah, so I'm gonna give this one in a macan green. Or we use gluten-free pasta, the moringa leaf, and ackee. We infuse that in a like a macaroni vibe.
Right,
you know?
so macan green is like macaroni, but it's a different type of macaroni.
No, it's like the healthier version. It don't have no gluten.
Yes, gluten-free.
Yeah.
Macaroni. So macan green you are going to do for it today. How you do it?
Alright, so a simple thing, you know.
Yeah.
Simple thing, you just get your moringa leaf.
Moringa leaf.
And you pick out the stem. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You wash them and you clean them up, pick out the stem.
Yeah.
And then you want to get some ackee, clean up the ackee.
Yeah.
Then you stir fry, you season them.
Right.
Your moringa leaf.
What you use as a seasoning?
Seasoning. So would I use onion, scotch bonnet pepper.
Scotch bonnet pepper. Thyme. Scallion.
And look at
scallion and garlic.
So if you want. Yeah, if you want.
Alright, seeing. Go ahead.
But you add this main Indian ingredient. It's called garam masala.
Garam masala.
Yeah.
Alright. That's an Indian ingredient. Wow, nice.
Yeah, nice. It complement curry or turmeric good.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, so after you stir fry your moringa leaf, you have some ackee where you done clean up and boil.
Yeah.
What you gonna do? You gonna throw the moringa leaf, which you just stir fry in your seasoning. You gonna throw that in your food processor or your blender with the ackee where you boil already. Or
right.
If your ackee not boil, you still can use it. And you add some coconut milk or some kind of liquid broth. And you just blend to a nice purine. Yeah, and you just pour that over your gluten-free pasta or macaroni where you boil already, you know, and mix in. And simple.
Wow, yeah, it sounds simple, yes. So you pure the ackee and the seasoning and the moringa leaf and all of that infused together, and then you put it on the pasta
or the macaroni.
There, yeah. The gluten-free pasta.
Yeah.
Nice.
Gluten-free pasta. If you want to use the regular pasta.
No, we not promote that. We are promote the gluten-free. We are promote the gluten-free one. You know, that the next one out there and it get enough promotion. We have promote the gluten-free one. So that is called.
That is called mac and green.
Mac and green.
When you use see enough
mac and cheese.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we use the mac and green as a vegan ital alternative to the mac and cheese, you know.
Yes.
Ackee I give it a cheese vibe too.
True.
You know?
That true, you know. Cause the ackee yellow and it look like the cheese.
And it tastes like it too, especially when it's raw.
Yeah. And when you have pure it, you know, it's supposed to. I never do that yet, you know. I never pure ackee yet.
Yeah, you can try it, man.
Yeah, man. Me I go try the mac and green, man. Me I go try the mac and green. All of the recipe them where me hear on this program here, where me never hear yet or me never see it. Me I go try them.
Yeah.
Because it's high time. Yeah.
Yeah, and the meal, the nutritional value, it'll be like your iron and look of fat.
Right.
And the carbs, them, the pasta, I get the carbs, them, depending on the pasta we use, you know?
Mm-hmm. Because ackee, me know say 67.5% of ackee is fat. So we wouldn't use, we not use no oil. We not have to use no oil with that. Coconut oil?
We stir fry the, yeah. Coconut oil, because we stir fry the seasoning them, or olive oil, you know, or grapeseed oil, or peanut oil. Any one of them.
Same. Yeah, man, that sound good. Me actually taste it.
Yeah.
Me actually can visualize a taste, you know.
Yeah, because we have some quinoa we use and give that meal like a protein vibe, so.
So hold on. So you that is the whole meal by itself. The mac and green is a meal by itself, or you use that with quinoa?
Yeah, because the thing is, we try to do balance plate as a vegan, or as an italist, because people always worry about where we get the nutrients. So we try to have some iron on the plate, some carbs, some protein, you know, some of every little thing. We do a balance plate, so. The quinoa would a drop in as a protein, as a high protein to the meal, you know, complement the carbs and the iron.
Right. Yeah. So that's a complete meal. That's a complete meal there, because you have protein, you have carbs, you have iron, you could have zinc too. You know?
The zinc could have come from some sea moss juice. The virgin that about Nakida say something savory, so we suggest a sea moss lemonade, sea moss turmeric lemonade.
Oh, so that have to wash it down. That have to wash it down. How you do that?
That have to wash it down.
How you do that?
Simple. It's simple, you know. You add your sea moss to your rinse and you wash. You add it to your bullet blender or your blender, and you add your agave or any sweetener of your choice.
But not sugar. But you know recommend sugar.
No, we don't recommend sugar, but you know,
agave or honey.
It's a stepping stone.
Agave
or honey, although most vegan don't like honey.
No.
Them see it as a
bees.
As a
bees filth.
Yeah.
Well, but it have healthy properties still. So we you know.
Definitely.
Right.
Definitely. You just add your honey to your sea moss and your teaspoon of turmeric or half teaspoon of turmeric in your blender. With some alkaline water and some lime juice. The thing is, you don't have to boil sea moss, because I learned cooking from a Rasta. I didn't know into any school for cooking. I learned it from a Rasta elder called Rasgart. He's always telling me about you.
I know God, man. I know Rasgart, man. Rasgart is a Naya Bingi elder. I'm a virgin.
Yeah.
I'm a virgin, man.
Yeah, man. Rasgart teach me how to cook, you know, and he showed me how to do the Irish mass without even boiling it.
Yeah, man, because I know how to do that too. I just blend it.
Yeah.
I just blend it out and pure it and get thick and put it in a glass bottle and put it in the fridge and use a little as I need it. So I want how you do it. So
as I said, I just add like a teaspoon of turmeric. You sweetener, the sea moss, and you add your alkaline water and a little bit of lime juice. Because lime juice is gonna help to melt away the sea moss too.
Right.
And you just blend.
Right.
And
so how you make the sea moss? How you make the sea moss? When you get the sea moss from the sea, how you make it? You blend it?
I just rinse it and blend it. That's all.
Yeah,
Sometimes
blend it in a coconut water.
Yeah, coconut water, a nice alkaline water. If you choose some beetroot or anything, you just use that and blend it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, when I'm doing porridge, I just drop it in my porridge. Sometimes we have a seafood like a seafood side of the menu where we do like a seamas salad, with avocado,
Yeah,
dates.
seamas salad.
Yeah, and
That's supposed to bad.
Just to the raw seamas, and sometimes you can get a new relief and you tear up a new relief and add to it.
Right.
And it's like a pasta.
True. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds good. I man would love can taste some of the food where we can find you. We can find you on the net.
Yeah. Okay. You can find us at Oluchi's Oluchi.
How you spell that? How you spell that? How you spell Oluchi?
OLU
OLU
CHI.
CHI.
Yeah, underscore.
Yes, Oluchi underscore. That is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and can use that to find me on Instagram, or you can type it in Google.
Right.
Oluchi's Ital, or you can type in vegan food in Jamaica, and you can search various restaurants. And
Right.
you will look up on Oluchi's Ital.
Right.
Yeah.
Oluchi underscore 876.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man, we see some real good thing on the screen there. Some quinoa and beans and quinoa and peas, and we see lemon in it and all these things. Well, we give thanks. Who? Unga?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Unga.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we give thanks. My brethren, we give thanks for sharing on the recipe with us this strong and Rasperience still. So until our next time.
Yeah,
we'll link up.
Give thanks. Give thanks and give thanks to Bonnie Wheeler Jr. I saw the Naki, for giving me this opportunity, and give thanks to you too. I love that. I love the fact that you're diversifying the Tony Rebel Foundation and going into radio station now. I really appreciate that.
Man is multifaceted.
Yeah,
man versatile. Man can do all kind of things. Cause man not limited, Man, them say the geniuses don't even use 15% of them brain. That means 85% they're undeveloped. So we can develop and go vast places where we want to go. Seeing? Yes, brother.
And I love that uncle Tony. I love that uncle. All right.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, King.
Yeah, and big up your son to me to Imaru.
Yeah.
Son, I'm a customer of them that,
Why Imaru used to come by too.
Whole heap of time. I do a cauliflower wing steam and I throw some sauce on it, and him know beans, but him can't tell him that to come and ask him. Say, yeah, man, it's a black bean sauce, and him go crazy, man, him girlfriend,
Well, and me pass there every day and no come. Me have to forward there one at a time now. Here.
All right, Uncle Tony.
Yeah, man. God bless.